In this video, I'm going to show you how to seal and prime a hardwood panel like this one for painting. First, I take gloss medium and I seal the sides of the panel. I want to do a thin coat, so I'll go back and forth with my brush a couple of times. Next, I'll move to the top of the panel and do some horizontal brush strokes back and forth, again doing a thin layer. And I'll make sure any clumps get taken off as well. Once the first layer has dried, which takes about half an hour to an hour, I'll come back and do another coat of gloss medium, this time doing brush strokes in the other direction. Once the second coat is dried, I will flip over the panel and do 2 layers of gloss medium on the back. It's important to seal all sides of your panel because 1, it creates a barrier between the panel and the environment, reducing potential moisture damage. 2, it prevents yellowing. Wood contains natural tannins and lignins, which could, over time, seep into the primer and the paint, which could cause yellowing in your work. And 3, when you seal all sides of the panel, it creates an even tension on the wood, which will prevent warping. Once the back has completely dried, I'll flip the panel back over again, and this time take gesso and do 2 coats all over the panel. Just like with the gloss medium, I'll do 1 coat with vertical strokes, let it dry, and then do another coat with horizontal strokes. When you're doing the back, make sure you really get into the corners with your paintbrush. Once both layers of gesso are dry, I'll come back with sandpaper and smooth out any bumps. I like to go in a circular motion to make sure that my sanding is even. Once I'm done sanding, I'll come back with a damp cloth and get any dust off of the surface of the panel. I'll let it dry for a minute and then voila! The panel is ready to be painted on.